overall experience of course turned out to be about 95% said they are okay with the course. Best class I've taken on edX. Even my father, who was a senior project manager at a well-known telecom company, praised the course. So that's strong praise. Well, thank you to whoever said that.
I'm Shafaf and I'm from Saudi Arabia. I would like it to be in Arabic because many of my friends wanted to study, but they're all Arab origins. They don't know English.
Oh, okay.
Education over there is very limited to women especially. But they love to educate themselves. They were like, it's English. I mean, I had to sit and translate what I'm studying, what I'm reading, what I'm hearing. So it's like, it's good if it is in Arabic.
Sir, I am Tontadaria, working as Deputy Commissioner of Commercial Taxes in Bangalore, in Government of Karnataka. My question would be, we have come across a lot of issues. That is, one is, of course, relating to software development. Request for proposal is the main criteria for development of software.
I hope I won't get a tax audit by government. There is clarity coming both in the government and on the vendor side that this gap can be bridged by having very clear understanding and shorter life cycles. So if you come up with an RFP, say what you want, close it fast. And remember that there will be 1,000 other things you are not getting, but as long as you get this, is fine.
Thank you for giving us opportunity to take these MOOC courses and come here and have a discussion with you. So wanted to know if there are any customizations of Scrum methodology, if they have already implemented that in the industry which has found success.
I would like some of the practical aspects to be put in form of something like a gaming module or something like that.
Everything was very apt. So I feel that you should persist with this model. Maybe make it short videos, add more content, but don't increase the time.
Maybe we'll see you again in another, in next course, next series of this course. Okay, thank you.